Hello everyone, welcome to BBS Academy. In today's topic, we are discussing about the spatial interaction model given by Ullman. Okay, so at first, we have to know about the meaning of the spatial interaction. Okay, so basically, spatial interaction is a dynamic flow process from one location to another. Okay, if we give some example, the human movement from one place to another place and the movement of materials from one country to another country, these are the example of the spatial interaction. Okay, also the international trade or the inter-country trade, these all are the spatial interaction. Okay, and regional level interaction includes many modes, that's railway, air, highway, etc. Okay, these are the basic concept about the spatial interaction. Okay, if we go to the spatial interaction concept given by Ullman, basically Ullman was a French geographer. Okay, and this model given by in 20th century or 1956. Okay, the fundamental concept that called spatial interaction concept given by Ullman, also known as the Ullman's principle or Ullman's thread. Okay, these are alternative name or we also known by using this term Ullman's principle or Ullman's thread. Okay, according to Ullman. Trade between regions was an interaction based on the three phenomena or three concept. Okay, these are the complementarity, intervening opportunities, and transferability. Okay, in this model, we have to understand these three concept properly. Okay. Okay, if we first understand the complementarity concept, there the complementarity means when two places interact, one places must have a supply of an item or product for which there is an effective demand of the other's place. Okay, so there must be a supply and demand relationship between the two interactive location. Okay, if we see this graph or image here, two different location A and B are there. Okay, if we consider B is producing some item or product that are demandable or required by location A, and the A is producing some product that are demandable or required by location B. So in these two different location, there must be a interaction or demand supply relationship. This relationship we called complementarity. Okay. Um, Here is the statement: the if location B produces or generates something that location A required, then an interaction is possible because a supply and demand relationship has been established between those two locations. Okay, they have become complementarity to one another. Okay, this is the concept of complementarity, or we can simply say that there must be a supply and demand between the two interacting location. Here is the A and B locations are complementarity relationship. Okay, so and the next concept is the intervening opportunities. Okay, so intervening opportunities state that closer opportunities will reduce the attractiveness and interaction with more distance and even slightly better alternatives. Okay, if we go to this if we go to this graph, here is the basically two city A and B are in a complementary relationship. Okay, but or a complementary interaction. Okay, if we see this A is produce something, some product that are required by B, or this distance is also is some longer distance, and the transportation cost is here slightly high. Okay, if a third location C is come here in this interaction, and the C is producing the same product that produces by A location, and the locational distance or the distance within C and B is lesser than the A and B, so there is there is a chance to be interact with the interact of C and B is much stronger than B and A, or the interaction of A and B will be reduces, and the interaction between C location and B location will be stronger. So this is the intervening opportunity location of C, that is increasing the interactiveness between within B and reducing the interactive between A and B. Okay, this is the concept of intervening opportunity. Okay, so if we see this example, if location C offers the same characteristics or nearly complementarity as location A and is also closer to the location B, and interaction between B and A will not occur and will be replaced by the interaction between B and C. Okay, this is the some concept of intervening opportunities. Okay, and the next concept is the transferability. Okay, basically transferability is refer to mobility of a commodity. Okay, uh, in this concept, origin and destination places must be linked. Okay, and the transportation material or the item must be supported by the transport infrastructure. Okay, if we see this graph, and here is the two location A and B. Here is the two location A and B, and A and B within a transferability relation, then the transport infrastructure between two location A and B is support the product mobility. Okay, and the transport cost should not higher than the benefit of related interaction. Okay, and thus is no any other location for alternative opportunities. Okay, these are the characteristics, and if we give the example, or if we read this statement, transport infrastructure modes and terminals must be present to support an interaction between A and B. Okay, also these infrastructure must have a capacity and availability that are compatible with the requirements of such an interaction. Okay, and here is the statement: the cost to overcome distance must not be higher than the benefits of related interaction. Okay, this is the basic concept, or this is the concept of transferability. Okay, if we see the next, here is the form of spatial interaction. Basically, Ullman given the three form of spatial interaction. Basically, one is the convection, second is the conduction, and third is the radiation. Okay, convection means it is the characterized by the movement of materials and people. Okay, the movement of materials and people basically known as, or example, like transportation of raw materials and manufactured goods between the place of production and place of consumption or destination. Okay, these are the basic term or basic process called as convection, or the movement of the materials and people. Okay, and conduction basically is the refer to the various transactions between the cities. Okay, the within the cities, the transaction called the, or the trade called the conduction. Okay, and the radiation is the refer to flow of information and the diffusion of new ideas and technology. These are the three form of spatial interaction. Okay, okay, this is all about our concept spatial interaction model given by Ullman. Okay, so thank you, and if you found this video is helpful to you, please like and share this video, and stay tuned for further updates and subscribe our channel. Thank you.